Hi, welcome to the video series on learning ECMAScript 2017 by PACT. I am Senthil Kumar, the author of this course, and I'll be walking through various features of ECMAScript 2017 in this series. Just a quick intro about me. Well, my name is Senthil Kumar. I've been working in the IT industry for more than 9 years now. I am a speaker, mentor, and a geek. I have had the opportunity to speak at various user group meetups and conferences. I'm a Microsoft MVP in Visual Studio Technologies. Microsoft MVP stands for Microsoft Most Valuable Professional, and it's an award given by Microsoft for exceptional community contributions. In this video course on learning ECMAScript 2017, we will cover topics related to ECMAScript 2017 in 7 different modules. We will first start with Getting Started section, where we will be looking into the installation and know more about the REPL transpilation and shims. We will then jump over to the section 2, where we will look at transformations to ECMAScript 2017. In this section, we will cover the TC39 process and some of the features in ECMAScript 2017. We will then begin the section 3, exploring the ECMAScript 2017 features, where I'll walk through string padding, object, and trailing comma features. In the section 4, we will cover the async features and know more about generators, async functions, and callbacks. In the section 5, we will get introduced to the shared memory and atomics in ECMAScript 2017. Finally, in the 6th and the 7th section, we will look at the experimental features and additional resources for us to know more about ECMAScript 2017. Prerequisites for the course is pretty simple. You need to have some knowledge of the web development, someone who wants to know more about the new ECMAScript features, and having a development machine with Visual Studio Code and a good internet connection will let you easily try out some of the samples as a part of the course. The goal of this course is to learn most of the ECMAScript 2017 features and understand how it's been implemented. So without wasting much time, let's get started.